Ideally, you would always get a seriously bleeding wound seen by a vet as quickly as you can. If you're not able to get them straight to a vet, then it's a good idea to dress it yourself and then get them seen by the vet as soon as you get a chance. So clean the wound with water or an appropriate veterinary antiseptic if you have one. And you just clean the wound carefully, don't interfere with it too much, you will be being seen by a vet. Then get a dry piece of gauze and put that over the injury. And to bandage it, what you would do is get some of this soft band, if possible, and if you take a little bit of it off, you can then put that between their claws. So either a little bit of cotton wool or some of this soft band, you put it between the claws because you're going to bandage over their paw, and you don't want those claws to dig into each other and cause any damage. So you then get the soft band and you put it, you're bandaging from joint over to joint. So if it's the lower half and you're bandaging over the paw, that is how you would be doing it. So you would bandage over the paw like that, and then you would wrap it down, and this is your soft dressing just to cushion them and to cushion it round. So you would have some of this soft band and you would wrap it round like this, okay? Like that, round the paw. And then you would get some of this nice cohesive bandage, which I have here, and you would put it over the top of the wound. So you go from top to bottom, over the top of the soft band that you've already put on, and then you would bandage round the side to put it on safely. Okay, so you would put it on like that, and you would bandage over, going 50% over the area with an overlap, like that. So you would be bandaging it all in. You're putting it on firmly, but not too tight. So you need to make sure that there is still room if there is any swelling, and you need to keep a very close eye on the paw and make sure that it isn't swelling. Okay, so you bandage around like that. You chop it off. Always use curved scissors so that you're not in any danger of injuring the pet. And then you would get a proper vet wrap bandage, ideally, which are that much tougher than these sort of cohesive bandages, and if the pet tries to chew them, they've got a degree of resistance. They're proper veterinary bandages. You would never leave a bandage on for more than 24 hours unless it's been applied by a vet or a veterinary nurse. And you would always get them seen by a vet, as I said previously. And if the bandage gets wet, you need to remove it, because bandages that are wet are likely to become tighter. So you then bandage over the top, covering with vet wrap that will keep it nice and secure, and then you would take them to the vet and get them checked out. It's good to know how to do this as well, because it means that you can reapply veterinary dressings if they become loose as well. And you need to make very sure that you are keeping a close eye on that paw and that it doesn't become swollen.